Tella and today we're here to make our own cake and our own coffee. Right next to the bar.
Yep.
So this is a spatula and you just put it, that's the cream and you just put it on our cake. And you use the wheel to do the sides. This is easier. Yeah, like this. Now we're gonna use this patch to decorate it. Oh my. Okay then. I'm too scared. Okay. Sprinkle some syrup to make the cake sweet. Okay, then that's enough. With syrup. Done. For the final touch, I'm going to put strawberries on now. So one inside here, and then here one. Here. So now for the final round, we're going to make the box. It's slow but whoa. It's blue, purple, dark blue, sky blue, yellow. So I poured the coffee into this cup and now we're gonna take it home.
Good job, Tella.